Good morning, kids. How are you? So, today we are going to do the next two types of pronouns. As earlier, we have done two, that is personal and possessive. Remember? So, today we are going to do reflexive pronouns as well as demonstrative pronouns. So, first we are going to do that is reflexive pronouns. Okay, now let's see this picture. And whenever you see a mirror, so what do you see in that? Answer me. What do you see in the mirror? Of course, your reflection. Okay, it reflects you. So this is a boy, and if I ask you even, so your answer will be I see myself. Of course, if I have to say, then I'll say you see yourself. So here the boy's answer is I see myself. So myself is that is reflexive pronoun. So here you can see the definition even. Now here are some examples. From these examples you will be able to understand what is a reflexive pronoun. Okay, reflexive means reflect something. So here you can see that there is a picture that you can hear yourself when you are talking. So here yourself is a reflexive pronoun. So what you have to do is you have to just pick out the reflexive pronoun from the next pictures. Here you can see himself. Okay, he can see himself in the mirror. So himself is a reflexive pronoun here. Now in the next, I hope you are able to find out the reflexive pronoun. So here she, for she we use herself, for he we use himself, for she we use herself, for you we use yourself. So here you can see that here we can help ourselves if we work together. Here you can see we is a plural form. So the plural of ourself is ourselves. Here we have used ourselves. You can see the spelling of it. OURSELVES. Here the plural of you is yourselves. A teacher is teaching the students, so he's saying you. So you refers to all the students. That's why it has been used yourselves. Now here they, for they it will be themselves. They can hurt themselves. Here for we, I told you ourselves. Now with we, that is plural form, so we have to use ourselves. So here for I we use myself. Okay, I can feed myself when I'm hungry. So when we are talking about ourselves, then we say I myself. Here for it, with it we use itself. Again for she we use herself. So this is what reflexive pronoun is, which reflects the subject. Okay, so now this is the fourth type of pronouns, that is demonstrative pronouns. Demonstrative, from the word you'll be able to know that to demonstrate something. Okay, to point out. So when we point out the things, we use this, that, these and those. So here from the picture you will be able to know the person who is standing on our left, he is saying this computer is new. He is pointing the computer that is near to him. That's why he is saying this computer. But the computer which is far from him, so he has to use that. Okay, the things which is far from us, so we use that, and which is singular. See, you can see it's singular, so he is using that computer is old. So this and that, this is the difference between this and that. So this and that, the words are demonstrative pronouns. But if we see the person who is on our right side, he is saying this computer is old because it is near to him. But he is saying that computer is new because that computer is far from him. So we use this for the things which is near to. Here you can see there are two girls, and on the left hand that girl is saying this dog is small. So of course, because it is the dog is near to her, but now she is saying that dog is big because that big dog is far from her. As it is, when there will be plural, like you can see earlier there was one dog, so now here are 2 or 3 dogs. So these dogs are big, she is saying, on the girl who is standing, who is on my right hand. So these dogs are big because they are more than one and they are near to her. But now she is saying those dogs are small because they are far from her and they are in plural form, like they are more than one. That's why she has used those. So I hope you have understood the demonstrative pronouns, that the use of this, that, these and those. So you can see here in this picture, that in this flow chart, that is demonstrative pronouns, like there are 2, singular and plural, and it will be divided into 2 more. That is singular, we use this and that, but for plurals we use these and those. You can see here like this we use when there is one thing and which is near to us, and that we use when there is a singular thing but the thing is far away, like far from us. Okay, now in plural, when you see these, we use for the things which are more than one and which is near to us, but those we use things for those things or persons or someone or something which is far from us, those we use. So, and for plural, now here in this picture you will be able to understand, you will be more clearer. That is the man is saying this is a tree, this is a bike. Why so? He has used this because that is near to him. But now if he is saying that are birds, that is a bird and that is a pond, so because that is far from him. So this is what we have to use this and that, these and those. So here he is using these birds and those ponds. So I hope you have cleared about the reflexive pronouns, which reflect something, okay, which gives reflection. If I am talking about myself, so of course I have used myself. For he we use himself, for she we use herself and all. Okay, so now here, and the fourth one was demonstrative pronouns. Here you can see the definition and examples too. We use this, that, these and those. This and these for the nearer things, and these and those for the things which is far from us. So I hope it has been clear to you. Now your homework is this is a worksheet. If it is not clear, I'll attach this file with this video and send it to you. So what you have to do is you have to just pick out the reflexive pronouns and write on a piece of paper or in your notebook, or you can write full sentences and just highlight with the color, or you can underline it, but don't highlight with the dark color so that it will not be visible. So thank you and have